Hi, my name is David Green with ExpertVillage.com. We'll now talk about the pre-inspection when you go into the home and meet with a customer. We have a process that we use. We've set it up in a step-by-step basis to make sure we're always covering what's needed, which really sets us apart. I'm not aware of another company that does it as thoroughly, and especially when you're training multiple technicians, it's important that they're consistent and that they cover what's needed. It allows you to upsell to the customer, allows you to educate them on the benefits of services and products, as well as to disclaim where needed when they're not taking advantage of the proper service. And there's so services you can provide in this, products that you can provide, and as well as just to learn as much about their carpet and their circumstances, and to make sure that you're providing them with what they are interested in.